How to edit TikTok videos faster using CapCut. Firstly, open CapCut application on your device. It could be either an app or website. Then click on New Project and this kind of interface will appear. Open your file manager and locate the file. Once you have found the file that you want to edit, click and drag it to the import section. When you do that, then it will get imported to CapCut. Again, drag it to the timeline. This way you'll be able to edit the clip. Now you can zoom in using your two fingers on the touchpad. Once it gets expanded, it will be easier to edit. If you want to remove the left side of the clip, then click Q on the keyboard. And if you want to remove the right side of the clip, then press W on your keyboard. Additionally, there are also other options or features that you can use. At the right section on the video tab, you can edit video using various options. Go to the audio tab to increase or decrease the volume. You can also do that directly from the timeline. There are also options such as fade in or fade out. Not only that, there are also options such as speed, animation or adjust. At the left side, you will find options such as transitions, stickers or effects. You can use all these options to edit your TikTok video. Once done, export it. That's all for today. Thank you.